Let's explore how agents can instantly generate and refine personalized email replies using Now Assist for CSM. George opens a support case about his router not connecting to Wi-Fi. John, the assigned agent, reviews the case and opens the customer's email. To begin drafting a reply, John clicks the sparkle icon for Now Assist. The tool uses the case details, the customer's email, and relevant knowledge articles to generate a response. John reviews the suggested reply, then clicks Refine, Elaborate, and selects Formal to add more detail. To refine his response, John selects Shortened to generate a more concise version. He compares both replies, selects the refined response, and inserts it into his draft, reviews the content, and clicks Send Email to respond to the customer. This is how Now Assist helps agents respond faster with personalized, context-aware email recommendations.